Come here, dogs. You want a treat? Come here, you want a treat?
Brian.
Yo, what's good, shawty? Your man still around?
Sam,
Hey, Sam!
Come here!
Sam! Sam! Babe, where's Sam at? Sam! Hey, Sam! Sam, where you at? Sam!
Oh my god. If you're fucking happy and you motherfucking know it, clap your motherfucking hands. If you're fucking happy and you motherfucking know it, clap your motherfucking hands. If you're fucking happy and you motherfucking know it, and you really motherfucking wanna motherfucking show it. If you're motherfucking happy and you motherfucking know it, clap your motherfucking hands.
Hey, you liking the view, Mac? How's it look out there? You like that? Be careful, I might have to stop real soon. You never know.
What the fuck is that fucking thing?
What the fuck?
Hello?
What?
Chill.
Scary.
Yo, I'm gonna check his vibe. What are you?
Yeah, what are you?
Bad vibe!
Oh. Oh. Look, look, look.
Sit. 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 Oh.
Do you want me to die? You just want to be homeless and have me bleed out? There's no chicken in the homeless world. No rotisserie chicken.
Hey guys, so guess what? Yesterday I went for a ride to Grandma's house, and when I got to Grandma's house, I showed her all the new dog toys I got, and then after I went for a walk to the dog park.
Your checking account available balance is $12,617,290.56.
What? 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 What?
Willow, where'd she go? Willow.